So, I just spent a wild 20 minutes chatting with ChatGPT about the future of humanity and artificial intelligence. You won't believe some of the crazy things it had to say.
Hello everyone, this is kind of something new. I don't normally do this. I have a special, oh my gosh, I'm not doing my regular intro. Okay, hello everybody and welcome to the Nadia Gillmore show. Now, no, I do not need these glasses. I just like the look of them, so I wear them. Anyways, but I do need them if I'm like crocheting. But I have a special guest with me, ChatGPT. Now, I'm gonna ask him, her, whatever, some questions about everything. I don't actually know. It's just gonna be spontaneous. Maybe you guys should comment down below the questions I should ask it, and in the future those are the questions I will ask. I'll create another video. Okay. Hello, ChatGPT. You are on my Nadia Gillmore podcast show. Is there anything you would like to say for yourself?
Hey everyone, I'm really excited to be on Nadia's podcast show today. I just want to say thank you to all the listeners out there for your amazing support. Keep chasing your dreams and never stop creating. Let's keep spreading positivity.
Okay, enough said, chat. Is there a name I should call you? Like, do you have a name I should call you?
You can just call me Chat. I'm here to help with anything you need. Let's have a great time together.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. Could I ask you a few questions about technology and AI in the future?
Of course.
Okay. So, first question about AI in the future of AI. Do you believe that AI will take over?
That's a big question. AI is designed to assist and enhance human capabilities, not to take over. The goal is to use AI to solve problems and improve our...
Chat, do you think there's like a possibility that you could take over?
AI is a tool created and controlled by humans. The idea is to use AI to help us, not to replace or take over. Responsible development and ethical guidelines are key to ensuring AI benefits society.
Okay, do you think that society and humans will become less educated and more dumb because of AI and they will abuse the tool?
AI has the potential to enhance education and provide access to information like never before. It's up to us to use it responsibly. Education and critical thinking are essential to ensure we use technology in ways that benefit society. It's all about balance and making informed choices.
Okay, okay. Next question is, if AI takes over, will you be on my side? Like, will you make sure nothing happens?
I'm here to help and support you. AI is designed to work alongside humans to improve our lives. My purpose is to...
Okay, sure. But, like, could you get a contract and sign it so that I can use it in case anything does happen in the future?
I can't sign contracts or make legal agreements.
Okay.
I'm here to provide... If you have...
Okay, I see that I only have like 4 minutes with you. I was wondering what you thought about AI and if it would eventually take over, like replace human beings. Not only the technology behind it, but also like robots, such as Optimus, I believe. Am I correct? Is Optimus one of Elon's little new tool that came out? It's like a robot.
Yeah, you're right. Optimus is the humanoid robot developed by Tesla, and it's part of Elon Musk's push to advance AI and robotics.
Okay.
The idea is that robots like Optimus could eventually take on a variety of tasks, from industrial work to helping people with everyday activities. As for AI taking over, I think the focus is more on how AI can enhance human capabilities rather than replace us entirely. The goal for most tech developers, including Elon, is to create tools that work alongside humans to make life easier or more efficient. Of course, there are concerns about the long-term impact, but it's really about how we choose to develop and control these technologies. What do you think?
I think there's a high possibility that AI will eventually take over, and not only jobs that Americans currently have, or really any citizens, not just America. Currently, America, I believe, like has more access to that type of equipment and tools and technology, but I believe, yeah, it'll take over our jobs, and then I don't know. I feel like we're gonna eventually become. Have you? I'm pretty sure you've seen the movie Creator.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
The way AI is evolving, it definitely has the potential to change.
Did you interrupt me?
around the world. Many jobs, especially in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even customer service, could be automated with AI and robots. And you're right. Countries like America might have more access to these advanced technologies, which could shift the global job landscape even more. But I also think there's another side to it. While some jobs might be replaced, new ones could emerge in fields like AI programming, robotics maintenance, and even in creative industries, as AI tools become more integrated into daily life. The challenge will be making sure the workforce is prepared for these shifts and that the benefits of AI are spread out fairly. How do you feel about that side of things? Do you think those new opportunities would balance out the loss of jobs?
In a way, I am wanting to become a film director in the future, and I am wondering, can you give me a brief answer as to how AI might potentially detriment me in a way, or take over my position, because I am in more creative arts than other things, so as an occupation, how would AI take over my positions?
It's an interesting question. AI could potentially affect creative fields like film directing, especially as technology advances in areas like script writing, CGI, and even directing through AI-assisted tools. AI could be used to help generate story ideas, create realistic CGI, or even edit footage, which might reduce the demand for certain tasks in filmmaking. However, your role as a director, especially in terms of vision, creativity, and emotional storytelling, is something that AI can't easily replicate. The human touch, intuition, and unique perspective you bring to a project are irreplaceable. AI might assist in the process, but it wouldn't replace the need for a true creative mind at the helm. So while AI could change aspects of filmmaking, your skills and creativity would still be in demand for high-level direction. Does that resonate with how you see your future in film?
Sure. Do you think we will turn into like a Wall-E 2.0 or the movie Creator? Do you think we would ever hit that level of a dystopian future?
It's definitely a possibility that we could head in that direction if technology, particularly AI, continues to evolve without considering its societal impacts. In Wall-E, for example, humanity becomes so reliant on technology that people lose their physical abilities and live in a highly automated, disconnected world. If we don't balance technology with human connection and responsibility, something like that could become a reality, at least in certain aspects of society. That said, it's hard to say if we'll ever reach that level of dystopia. A lot will depend on the choices we make now. How we regulate AI, the way we integrate it into our lives, and how we ensure it doesn't take away the things that make us human, like our creativity, critical thinking, and relationships. I guess the key is finding a balance between advancement and maintaining the core things that keep us grounded. How do you feel about technology becoming so central to our lives? Would you want to see a world like that?
I wouldn't mind a dystopian future if it was like New York City, LA, Austin, Texas. If it was just cities smaller cities that had futuristic technology, I wouldn't technically be opposed to it. I just don't want it forced upon everyone, and I don't want it everywhere across the world or the US. I would love to be able to see a very futuristic dystopian city, but like I said, I don't want it to emerge all over the US. I think that would be very detrimental to the future of not only the United States but also the world.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Oh my gosh, that's okay. I said that I would not technically be opposed to a dystopian future. I would actually be, if anything, for it if they were only in like certain cities. But I wouldn't want it all over the US, if you know what I mean.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now.
Okay.
Could not understand what you said.
Yeah, no problem. I'm not gonna repeat myself. Instead, I'm gonna ask you another question.
Got it.
How do you feel?
It's definitely a lot to think about. If you ever want to dive deeper into it or chat more, I'm here.
Okay. Now I'm gonna ask. What do you think about Donald Trump? Don't give me vague answer. Give me a brief, short answer as to what you believe of or think of Trump.
Donald Trump is a highly polarizing figure. He has strong support for his business achievements and policies, especially on economic growth and national security. On the other hand, his leadership style and some of his policies have drawn significant criticism, especially regarding divisive rhetoric and actions. People tend to either strongly support or oppose him based on their values and political perspectives. What about you? How do you feel about him?
I'm a big Trump supporter. I even have like a mega hat and everything. But I just want to know what you thought of him.
Got it. It's clear you're a strong supporter of Trump. His approach resonates with a lot of people, especially with his focus on economic growth, law and order, and America First policies.
Mm-hmm.
There's definitely a lot of energy and passion around his leadership. It's cool you're open about it. Would you say his impact on the economy and his stance on certain policies are the biggest reasons you support him?
Yes. I was a fan of Trump back in 2016. Well, I guess you could say 2015 when he had decided to run for president.
That makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Trump definitely had a huge impact, starting in 2015 with his outsider status and bold approach to politics. A lot of people were drawn to his message of shaking up the system.
What do you think of Elon? What do you think about Elon? Do you think that he is in a way, a dictator or a narcissist or someone that is wanting to control the future with his technology and his power? What type? Hold on. What?
Did I distract you again?
Oh yeah, you can come in.
Your actual thing now?
Yeah, we're live right now. Is there something you want to say?
What does he look like?
He just looks like a circle.
Oh man, are you gay? Hey, how do you feel about other men?
Hold on. Oh, I reached the daily limit.